Hi. Welcome to your channel Abundant Dreamers. Let us understand what are affirmations and how it helps. Our thoughts create our reality. The way we think, the words and statements we say to ourselves shape our lives. Just think of the few sentences you consciously or unconsciously repeat to yourself now and then. Those statements may be, "My life is so miserable. I am frustrated with this traffic every day. My lifestyle is so unhealthy," or, "I have a good family." Interestingly, these kinds of statements are known as affirmations. You send these affirmations to your mind and the mind reacts to it. These statements could sometimes be positive and sometimes negative. Types of affirmations. Affirmations are primarily of two types, positive and negative. Positive affirmations motivate you to live a healthy and balanced life. It assists you to overcome all fear, cluelessness, and challenges. Whatever you think you are lacking in life and desire to own, you can receive it with the help of affirmations. Affirmations can be used for every purpose of life, including improving focus and attention, gaining wealth, building good relationships, becoming a better parent, boosting self-esteem, making healthy decisions, for love, success, peace, etc. On the other hand, negative affirmations could do a lot of harm to any person by increasing their stress, anxiety, anger, and making the person lose his peace of mind. These are the complaints and negative words we associate ourselves with. How do affirmations help? To improve our lives, we can consciously send such positive thoughts into our minds and shift the mind to think in that particular direction. For example, I want to have a healthy and fit body, so I will send a positive affirmation to my mind such as, "I am blessed with a healthy body," or "My diet is improving every day." Sending this positive message to our minds every day will make our minds believe that that statement is true, thus making us think that we have a healthy body. This in turn will unconsciously push us towards practicing healthy food habits and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And in less than a month we can see the visible changes in ourselves. Affirmations can do magic if used correctly. It can help us achieve our goals and dreams. It can help us have a perfect family and earn an abundance of wealth for ourselves. But what is the correct way of using an affirmation? Affirmations work on the principle of repetition. There are many rules on how to use affirmation. The two best ways are either to hear them for a few minutes every day and repeat them by saying silently or loudly. Secondly, sit down and write the positive affirmations 3/5 or 7 times every day for the next 21 days. Make sure you believe in all the words you are writing. The affirmations must also be framed carefully. They should be written with positive words, present tense, and without using any full stop. It works best if you listen or write them at the same time every day for the next 21 days by sitting at the same place, in the same notebook using the same pen. Thus, affirmations are very powerful and multi-purpose. It has the power of changing people if used wisely. Use positive affirmations daily and see how it pulls you towards the life you always desired to have. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Hope you do not miss any of our future amazing videos. Please comment below your experiences with affirmation.